Good morning. I have my walnut pulp from my walnut milk, and I feel like just making some kind of cakes or pancake type things. Or I've been watching a lot of Indian street food, and I love these really like thin crepe-ish things that they do. I don't know if mine will come out like that, but so far I added in the pulp. I added in 1 container of applesauce. I am adding in some oat flour. I'm gonna do 2. We'll see how that goes. Currently on the stove, I'm making flax egg the fast way with a little bit of heat. This is also how we make flax gel for the hair. Same thing. But I'm gonna add the flax seeds, and it's gonna be help to like bind. So I've taken it off the heat. I'm gonna let it cool just a little bit, but you see that? And there we go. Just a little bit under 10 minutes, cool down. It's a little bit thicker. I'm adding distilled water. I actually want this to be fairly loose. I am warming up my skillets. Doing 2 at a time because it helps it to go faster. Ooh, look at the bubbles. I think this is loose enough. So I have like just a tiny bit of oats left here, and I didn't want to actually blend them in. I wanted them to add texture. So now that everything is blended, I'm gonna add these now and then just like pulse, and that's it. Okay. Like the amount of heat that I have on it. Okay, I got one flipped. I really like the thinness of these, so we shall see. Pretty. That's one. Okay, we're getting there. Definitely learning as I go here. So I've been kind of undercooking them, and since they're not like pancakes and more on the bready side, like I really have to give it more time to cook all the way through on the inside as well. So this one should be good, and I'm just going back through and adding more to the pot, to the skillets, so that I can get them more golden, get them more firm on the inside. And it seems like once I get some air on the inside, you see that? When it's rising up. This is from me flipping it multiple times. Get some air on the inside is definitely what I want. Finally. They're all done. A little stack. Now for the fun part. I am making the syrup, guys. I have date spread, brown sugar, and some plant butter. I'm gonna mix this all in. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this. Plant butter. The date spread I got from the food bank, and brown sugar. Ah, that looks so good. The syrup came out good, guys. This is like my comfort food. And there you have it.